Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are well and good and enjoy the computer subject also. Isn't it? Now today in this video we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter number 3, Understanding Windows 10. But before starting the chapter, I'd like to tell what is an operating system. Yes children, what is an operating system? Because if you don't know what is an operating system, you won't be able to understand the chapter. Children, please look into the screen as I am showing here. Have you ever seen this type of screen before? Yes, of course you all have seen. When you turn on any computer, you can see this type of screen appears. Is it? What this screen indicates? This type of screen indicates that the computer is getting loaded with the operating system, or the operating system is loading on your computer. Now the question is, what is an operating system? Children, an operating system is a program that manages the computer hardware and other software applications. It also works as a link between the user and the hardware. A computer is totally a hardware part, isn't it? A user uses the computer. An user uses the computer with a medium that is known as the operating system. So the most popular operating systems which are there are here. The most popular operating systems. First comes the Microsoft Windows. Next comes the Linux. Then the Mac OS and the Android. Especially Android, you should know that Android operating system is used in maximum smartphones. Okay. Now children, here you can see this is the user and this is the computer. Now children, you think that a computer is totally a hardware device. How a user can use a hardware device without any medium? It is not practically not possible. So the most important thing which is used to communicate with the hardware device is the operating system. As you can see here on the screen, the operating system. Okay, the user connects the hardware with the help of this operating system. Again, when the computer gives any result, it also gives a result through the operating system to the user. Thus operating system becomes the medium between the user and the computer. Got it? Here in this chart you can see where the operating system is placed in the structure of the overall computer system. See, the operating system is just placed over the hardware as it connects the hardware. Operating system, you should know this, that the operating system is the basic software which is been loaded in the computer. Okay, this is the base software on which the application software works. Okay, now the user uses the application software on the basis of the operating system. As here you can see, this is the user uses this sort of application softwares. And this sort of application softwares runs on the basis of the operating systems, and this operating system connects the hardware, these hardware parts. Okay, now here a chart is there, and through this chart you can very precisely understand that how the operating system works. Where is the place of the operating system? You can see here, first comes the hardware part, then on the over the hardware part, operating system is there to control, to manage those hardware parts, and after that the application software is there which has been loaded on the basis of the operating system, and the user uses the application software. So coming from the top, these are the user uses the application software. As you can see here, this application software runs on the basis of the operating system, and this operating system manages the hardware parts of the computer. Thus you can very precisely manage the computer. Okay, thus you can manage the computer hardware parts through the operating system. So from here we can say that operating system is the main base software of a computer. Without the operating system you cannot run any application software, or the user cannot run any application software. Thus what will happen? You cannot work on computer. Okay, so this was the importance of an operating system, and in this chapter we are going to learn the operating system Windows 10. In my next video, I'll be explaining the chapter. I'll start explaining the chapter. Up to this, thank you.